Do you want to sneak in a little extra protein to start your day, but still have a craving for a stack of fluffy light pancakes? Well, these pancakes aren't your typical kind. These are the ideal, almost a guilt-free way to indulge in your favorite sweet breakfast because the cottage cheese adds a wonderful velvety texture and a fantastic protein punch. So let's get started on making these delicious pancakes right away.
Carry you.
First things first, we're going to measure out of all-purpose flour in a large bowl. Next, 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. To make it light and fluffy, add 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. To enhance the flavor, add a pinch of salt. We'll just whisk this until it's combined, then set it aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Now we get our blender and add in 1.5 cups of cottage cheese to break down the curds. Go ahead and blend this for about 30 seconds or until it looks nice and smooth. Let's pour this mixture into another bowl. Time to add the egg and just crack one large one into the bowl. For a sweet aroma, pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To keep our pancakes moist, we'll need 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Lastly, we'll add in a cup of almond milk or regular milk. Now go ahead and whisk that all together. Let's pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Just give it a few quick stirs until it's barely combined and a few lumps are perfectly fine. Also, let the batter sit for 15 minutes before cooking. Now, melt a teaspoon of butter in your nonstick pan over medium heat. Let's pour about 1 cup of the batter into the pan. Keep an eye on the edges. When they look cooked and the bubbles start to pop on the surface, that's your cue to flip it. When the bottom is golden brown, take it off the pan. Keep cooking the pancakes until all the batter is gone. This recipe should make you about 3 to 4 big pancakes. Enjoy your pancakes with a classic drizzle of maple syrup. If you want to go all out, top them with some homemade jam, toasted nuts, a dusting of powdered sugar, and fresh whipped cream. And just like that, you have a batch of delicious protein pancakes. We hope you enjoyed this new take on a classic. If you're looking for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one.
I meant every word I said. I'll carry you home.